Hi everyone, I am Saurav. I am a student of Digital Dropout School. Today I will show you how to highlight any property or area in After Effects. So without any delay, let's open the Adobe After Effects application. After opening After Effects, I imported the original drone shot video. I drag the video down and create a new composition. Then I check the video once to see if everything is okay. Now I onto the effects panel and search for 3D camera tracker. I drag the 3D camera tracker and drop it on the video. Now I fast forward it. The process may take 1 to 3 minutes. As we can see, the 3D camera tracker is completed. Now the area of the land that I want to highlight. I pressed and held the shift key on the keyboard and click on the green tracking points on the area. After selecting the area, I right click and select create solid and camera. Now I select the solid layer and press the option on the keyboard. The opacity option appeared. I reduce the opacity so the land become visible. After that I select the pen tool from the top. Use the pen tool, I create a shape around the land. Now the video is almost ready, but we will do some more or to make it look better. I click on the solid layer at the top. Now on into the options. I on to the max expansion option and add a keyframe. 1 second before that, I add another keyframe. Now I select both keyframes and use keyframe assistant to apply eases in and eases out. Now I want to go the graph editor and made it more smooth. Okay, now it looks much more professional. Now I will add a border. I searched for stroke in effects. I copied the solid layer and placed into the top. Now I apply the stroke effect. As we can see, our border is generated. I select the top style and change the brush size to 10. Now I will elevate the border. I added keyframes to the end option. Set the past on to 0 and after 5 seconds I set it to 100. Now I want to add some text. I named it plot number on. I customize the text and turn 3D on. I change the text color to white. Now I connect the text layer with 3D camera solid. Now the text adjusts itself automatically. After animating the text and smooth the keyframes, my video is completed. This was my highlight any property or area in After Effects video. Let me know how the video is. Thank you all very much for watching my video.